Imagine this. What if I told you that the dreams you've been holding on to, the relationship you've been longing for, the financial freedom you've dreamed of, or the life of abundance you know you deserve can all manifest within just 3 days? You might be skeptical, wondering how such things are possible. But I'm here to tell you that using the teachings of Neville Goddard, it's not only possible, but many people around the world have experienced it firsthand. By the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step process to apply Neville's powerful techniques and manifest your desire in just 3 days. And make sure you stick around until the end, because I'll be sharing a mind-blowing tip that can dramatically speed up your manifestation process. Neville taught us something so simple, yet so profound. Assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled. This is the essence of his method and the secret to manifesting anything you desire. When you feel that your wish is already granted, when you can embody the emotions of already having what you want, the universe has no choice but to bring it into your reality. So, how does this work when we talk about manifesting in just 3 days? In Neville's own words, the concept of time is flexible. Time is not linear, rather, it bends to our assumptions and beliefs. When you deeply accept that what you desire is already yours, time speeds up and manifestations occur more quickly than you might expect. The key is to assume the feeling and hold on to it consistently, no matter what your current reality might be showing you. Let me tell you a story about Emily. She was at a point in her life where everything seemed to be falling apart. She was struggling financially, and her relationship was in turmoil. She felt like nothing was going her way, and the anxiety was eating her up from the inside. One day, a friend recommended Neville Goddard's teachings to her. Intrigued, she began reading about the law of assumption and how it could help her change her reality. It was a completely new concept to her, but something inside her sparked, a sense of possibility, a glimmer of hope. She came across a practice known as Manifest in 3 days. Though skeptical at first, Emily decided to give it a try. She followed Neville's teachings to the letter. She started by creating a clear vision of what she wanted: a promotion at her job, peace in her relationship, and financial stability. Then she began to live in that end. Every morning when she woke up, she felt the gratitude as if her dreams had already come true. She visualized herself receiving that promotion, seeing the love in her partner's eyes, and enjoying financial freedom. The first day, nothing in her outer world seemed to change. She noticed the doubts creeping in. What if this didn't work? But she pushed them away and continued to assume the feeling of her wish fulfilled. On the second day, she felt a shift in her energy. Her doubts began to lessen, and she found herself feeling lighter, more hopeful. She started noticing small signs. Her boss smiled at her warmly, and her partner made a kind gesture that felt out of the ordinary. On the third day, she woke up to an email from her boss offering her a major promotion she hadn't even applied for. That evening, her partner sat her down and had an open-hearted conversation, and together they worked through the issues that had been plaguing their relationship. Emily was blown away. Everything she had visualized came to pass within 3 days. It wasn't magic, it was the power of assuming the feeling of her wish fulfilled. So, how can you, like Emily, use Neville Goddard's teachings to manifest your desires in just 3 days? The first and most crucial step is to clarify your desire. Be specific about what you want. Whether it's a loving relationship, financial abundance, a new job, or even something as simple as a peaceful mind, clarity is key. Once you have clarity, you can begin to focus on the feeling. Step 1. Living in the end. This is the core of Neville's teachings. Instead of longing for something in the future, you must mentally and emotionally place yourself in the state of already having what you desire. If it's love, feel the warmth of being in that relationship. If it's money, feel the relief and joy of financial freedom. Close your eyes and imagine it vividly. What does it feel like to already have it? Step 2. Assume it's done. Once you've connected with the feeling, assume that your desire is already fulfilled. Let go of doubts, and do not let the external world dictate your inner state. This is where people often struggle. They let what they see around them break their faith. Remember, manifestation is about your inner world creating your outer world. Hold on to that belief no matter what. Step 3. Affirmations. In addition to feeling the wish fulfilled, use affirmations to reinforce your belief. Speak in the present tense, as if your desire is already a reality. I am financially free, I am in a loving relationship, or I have the perfect job. Repeating these affirmations creates mental pathways that align your thoughts and feelings with your desires. Step 4. Gratitude. Gratitude is the accelerator. When you express gratitude for something, it's as if you're telling the universe, I already have this. Every morning and night, take a moment to feel deep gratitude for the thing you are manifesting, as if it's already a part of your life. Let me share another story, this time about a man named John. John had been stuck in the same dead-end job for years. He had dreams of starting his own business, but didn't have the courage or financial means to take the leap. He stumbled upon Neville Goddard's teachings through a friend who had manifested incredible things using Neville's methods. John decided to try the 3-day manifestation technique. His desire was simple but meaningful to him. He wanted a $10,000 loan to start his business. On day 1, he spent 15 minutes before bed visualizing himself receiving the funds. He imagined shaking hands with the bank manager and feeling the joy of launching his business. Day 2 came, and John noticed his doubts creeping in, but instead of letting them take over, he returned to his visualization and his feelings of gratitude, affirming that the money was already his. He refused to let his current circumstances shake his belief. On day 3, John received an unexpected phone call. An old friend, someone he hadn't spoken to in years, reached out to catch up. During their conversation, John shared his business idea, and to his shock, his friend offered him the exact amount of money he needed as a loan to get started. It wasn't the bank, but the universe delivered in a way he could never have imagined. Now, you might be thinking, this all sounds great, but what if I don't see any results? It's normal to feel impatient or doubtful, especially when things don't seem to be happening as quickly as you'd like. Here's what you need to remember. The universe is always working behind the scenes, even if you don't see immediate results. If doubts arise, that's okay. Acknowledge them, but don't let them take control. Instead, remind yourself of your desire and return to the feeling of the wish fulfilled. Doubt is natural, but persistence in your assumption is what makes the difference. Another common challenge is letting go of control. Many people struggle with wanting to control how their manifestation will unfold. The key here is to trust the process. The how is not your responsibility. The universe will deliver in ways that are often unexpected. Now, as promised, I want to leave you with a powerful tip that will help supercharge your manifestations. Create a manifestation journal. Every day for 3 days, write as if you've already achieved your desire. Write in the present tense, I am so grateful that I've received the money I needed, or I am so happy in my new relationship. This practice not only reinforces your belief, but also helps you keep track of your progress and notice the small signs that your manifestation is on its way. As we wrap up, remember that manifesting in 3 days is possible for you. The key is to stay focused, consistent, and to trust the process. By living in the end, assuming your wish is already fulfilled, and staying aligned with your desire, you can bring your dreams to life in ways you've never imagined. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on Neville Goddard's teachings and manifestation techniques. What are you manifesting right now? Share your thoughts in the comments, and let's support each other on this incredible journey. Remember, you have the power to create the life you desire, and the universe is always working with you.